Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur the background of a video using the CapCut mobile. So just add your video first to CapCut and then head to Effect. Click on the video effect. Click on the lens category. Then select the blur effect, this one. Adjust the intensity of the blur to your liking. I'm going to go with 65. Click on the check icon. Sorry, I'm going to lower it, I think, to make it more natural, to around 25. And make sure that it applies to the entire clip like this. Then export this video. So after you export, you can just go back, and here I'm going to delete the blur effect. Now add the video that you just saved as over here in the main track. Add it, click on add, and then click on the original video and make it as overlay. Like this, drag it to the bottom of the first clip. Now just remove the background of the overlay. Click on the auto removal. Okay, just wait until the background is removed. Then the background is removed, click on the check icon, and there you go, you'll have the blur background that you want. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.